So you're frown so youth. At this year, I don't know, no. Get used to it. So Jenna, walk on, you circle like a pan turkey.
Yeah, man, I make a circle and save everything up and running, you know?
Meet my nephew.
Yeah, man, I know the whole reason, you know. I'm tell me say everything good on the farm, you know? Man, I tell me say I love the farm life, man.
You know, Jenna. Put me now. You want to see? I try to teach him the ropes, them, you know? Because it's like him to get himself in a little trouble with the law. So I have him on the farm, you know, and I try to farm him, you know?
That is it, man, because I'm glad to have a man like you for guide him still.
I tell them they think them you to understand themselves more while, bro. Because I have him on the farm here, but I don't think him understand fully the opportunities that they as a female.
Let's give him some time. I'm soon over.
Boy, I'm a hope so, you know. Because enough of them, they either they're in the big house, or them rent a one apartment over Dovecat, or them they're middle, a rest.
That's true, you know.
So I go on, Jenna. What you do? Forward to stock up on some rum provision and some meat kind.
You know your style, you know, man. Do the right thing, man.
What you mean? Yeah, man, I know your style, man. Cheers! You hear me, I say now? Come get some meat kind for Jenna for me now. Pork, chicken, goat. Now pork, brother. So slaughter no forward from morning. Man, no, and dog them, brother.
Nah, too pressure. I'm good, man.
Ah, man, circle me next week. I will have it for you, yeah?
Alright, you do that, man.
Yeah, man.
So, what am I going for your Empress? You know that about?
Jenna, I want to tell you, you know. A little thing go down on the farm the other day, you know. She get hurt, you know. So she have to tuck in, you know. But I deal with it still.
Hope I'm not nothing too serious, man.
Well, I may tell you, we're angry. You know what I mean? But one thing I want to tell you still, you see, the forward on the farm, down on the flat this one, you see the strange face, don't worry yourself, just know say, yes, govern, because I might people them.
Yeah, man. Anything I say, man, because you don't know everything up on another level, you know.
Yo, Jenna, you don't know my style already, you know, man. You don't know, say, even though they're a farmer, but don't have the gorillas them out.
Man.
You see style.
That is it.
Alfred!
Yeah, man.
Hold on. Order!
I'm Lana!
That's all right. Lana! Jenna, it's so far, yeah?
Alright.
No,
Do your thing, man.
I'll go on, Lana. Or this.
I get the money early now, so I carry it come give you.
What? The 1 month and 1 day early.
Yeah, man, I get it early, I don't want to use it, so I just carry it come give you, no?
So, what going on the market?
No, so the market I go and go to. But the one Pauline, she just jealous because the way I'm always buy your goods.
Yeah, but you are going now. You used to offer to make sure buy some of the things them from me, but she never want it. And you don't know my style already, you know. No additive, no preservative, no pesticide, nothing on my ground provision.
Yeah, because you're natural.
You know the thing.
Yeah, Irie.
Yeah, you know.
So, are you alone up on the farm with your woman there?
A little thing go down with Omega on the farm, you know, and I want to tell you, sir. You don't even know when she go forward back up here, you know.
Sure, that sounds good.
Good?
Yeah.
So, why you say that sound good?
When I can get to know each other a little better, talking about growing provisions, what you like, what you dislike.
Yo, Lana, you see you right now. You're trouble, you know.
No, trouble, no good trouble. You have good or you have bad trouble. Everything good for me in a start.
You don't start. You're full of arguments, you know.
See, understand?
Yeah, but I want to tell you still, I'm a virgin there, you know.
True.
And my nephew. I want all a vibe and all a little reason.
Yeah, man. Love family.
Yeah, man. But definitely I'll come link you back to my market on that day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know say you can't introduce a them and we can make it be a family affair. You, me and them, like that. Good business always.
So you are going now.
Yeah.
It's a Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
Forward and I will stack you up again, yeah?
Yeah, I love all that sound. I like you always looking out for me. Yeah.
Look up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, Rasta.
I go back around and say,
And I say nothing. Remember, business comes first. Have a good one, Rasta.
alright.
Yeah, big up yourself for now. Yeah, big up you.
Jenna, what go on? Chase, you don't have nothing to do.
I see that from the market.
You ask too much questions to you.
I cut me no and cut still, you know, cause I told me see that time, I just go easy back and wait for you to done the thing, you know?
Oh, no, it's a your sister, you know, my supplier with some market things and right? Yeah, man, that's a friend, you know, a friend from down at marketplace, you know.
Yeah, man. No, I think, man.
Look, I must forget. I still just on the market from my seat, my member, yo. Nice fee, just like you.
Respect, yeah.
Respect.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Respect, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Me say you know.
Yeah, everything look boss, you know?
But yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, I could go back around and say, Jenna.
Yeah.
You don't know the style already, man.
You ever say everything boss, I mean everything boss.